Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie and here we learn how to keep it simply slay. Today I figured I would do a Boxycharm review. I have 3 months of boxes. I have August, September, and today I got October, so we'll be unboxing that one together. I figured I will do my review on is it worth it, is it not worth it. I mean, it is $25 a month. You get 5 products. So I'm going to show you what I got in the August box, the September box, and then we're going to find out what's inside the October box together. Okay guys, so here are the 3 boxes that we're going to be going over today, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside. I have August, September, and then October. I already opened August and September, but I have not opened October yet. We're going to unbox this one together on video. Hopefully what's in there is better than what was in the August and September box. Because so far I'm not really feeling Boxycharm, and I don't know if I am going to continue. So hopefully this October box will change my mind about that. But let's go ahead and get into the August box. So August, it was like a camping type theme. This is the card. So the products we have, the first one is a Glam Glow Moisturizer Omega Rich Face. So it's from Glam Glow. This is the product. It's a pretty good size. Okay, it's like the normal product size. I do have the regular membership. I do the $25 box, the basic box. And already with just this product alone, I already made my money back. And I'm actually pretty happy about this product. Alright, so moisturizer. I won't proclaim to be some super big, you know, skincare person. I'm not really that big. I don't have like a set regimen yet. But this can't hurt to add to the collection. Alright, so next we have from Tristique a Summer Glow and Go set. So that is this here. And it includes a, what are these? So it has a highlighter stick, a mini blush stick, a mini eyeshadow crayon, and a mini brow pencil. So it's these 4 products here. Right, so they come in these little kits. Right, so I'm assuming this one is the brow pencil. Yes, so it has like a brow pencil. Not sure if this color is gonna match me. It actually feels quite dry, so there's that. Hopefully I can get it to working. And then we have, what is this? A mini eyeshadow crayon. So it's like a, for your eyes. See that? It's pretty colors, pretty smooth, creamy. We have a, what is this? A highlighter. So like a cream highlighter. Alright, it's this one here. Also very creamy. I'm not sure how I feel about this color. It's supposed to be like a pinkish color, but it looks kind of white. But I guess I'll have to actually try it on and see. And then we have a mini blush stick. Okay, so that's the blush stick. The blush stick does feel a little like cakey, so I don't know how I feel about this, but we're gonna try it, we're gonna see. Alright, so next in the box we have a Clarins Velvet Lip Protector. So that's this here. So it says this is a mattifying lip protector. I don't know. We're gonna find out though. Alright, so this is the product. It's a really good size. Whatever it is, and well, I know it's like a lip color of some sort. It is a pretty good size. Alright, it's like this maroon type color. So this is the color. Right? It's a nice fall type of red burgundy color. Right? In the end, if this video doesn't come out to be too long, I will try to do a look with this. I do have on not foundation, I actually have on, what I have on? Oh, I have on tinted moisturizer, and I have on some concealer and stuff already. Because speaking of what I already have on, this powder that I tried out is not giving me what I want. I know it's a little cringy to watch, but I was not about to refilm this video because of that powder. So just bear with me, guys. So far I haven't got a foundation or concealer, so I just already have that on in case, you know, I don't get one. But the next item in this box is the Morphe Eyes Got This brush set. So it's a 4-piece brush set for eyeshadow. You have like a blending brush, a flat brush, and then a small angle brush. Okay, can't hurt to have more brushes. They do feel like I guess the cheaper Morphe brushes, but whatever. And then last but not least, inside this box from Rockin Cosmetics, it's called the Big Fat Liner. So it is a eyeliner. And let me see, I haven't opened this one up. I do want to see what the tip looks like. And this product was $25 supposedly. I watched a lot of like videos on, before I subscribed to Boxycharm, on YouTube to see like, is it worth it, is it not worth it? And I did get a bunch of mixed reviews. Some people were getting pretty good boxes and others were not. I'm kind of skeptical to see if like only the big YouTubers or famous people get like the really good boxes, and do us regular people just get whatever. I'm very interested to know. They do have another subscription option where you get 7 items, but you pay $37 or something like that. But I wanted to see what this one was like first, and those were, I guess, more premium items. So I want to see what the regular one was like first, and then we'll decide if we want to go from there. Alright, so again, this is the Big Fat Liner from Rockin Cosmetics, and it has like a felt tip. So we're gonna try this out. Alright, so that is it for the August box. Let's go ahead and jump into the September box. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing it has like a back to school theme. It looks like a back to school theme. Alright, first up we have from Pharmacy, a Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Now I do have issues with my under eyes. I have like dark circles, I have fine lines, so any type of eye cream I am willing to try. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try and see. Let's see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. I don't know if it's giving cherry though. But it does smell pretty good. It's not really giving cherry vibes, but what can I say, okay? I don't make the products. Alright, so next up in this September box, we have from Alamar Cosmetics, a Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. So we have an eyeshadow palette. Okay, the palette's actually pretty cute, on the outside at least. And then on the inside, it does have a mirror. I think these colors are pretty. Okay, just want to see how pigmented they are now, so I'm going to just swatch a few. That's actually pretty pigmented. I haven't even put it on my hand yet. So let me use my arm this time since my hand is running out. Might be a little ashy. That's actually really, really pigmented. Let's try this color. Okay, they're actually really pigmented, so I'm interested to try this. Let's try one of the colors that's not glitter. So I'm going to try this color here. Okay, so they're actually pretty pigmented, so I'm excited to give that a try. I'm going to go ahead and get me a makeup wipe to clean my hands. Alright, so next in this box we have from Hank and Henry, a Lip Love Luxe lipstick. And I want to say that this packaging that this lipstick came in, even the box is really cute. It's like a velvety type box. But this packaging is so cute. And actually it has like a little button that you press to get the lipstick out. So you like press the button. Oh wait, that's not working. There we go. You saw that? Let me do it again.
You like press the button and it pops out.
It's so cute. You guys probably can't see it on camera, but it's like nice and glittery. So I'm interested to see how it's going to come out on my lips. Let me try it on my hand and see. It's pretty creamy on the hand. This is it here. But it doesn't look like the glitter is really showing up that much. So we'll see once I actually put it on my lips how it works out. But this is so pretty. So pretty. We have from Laura Geller, hopefully I'm saying that right, Lash Boss Bold Mascara. So we have some mascara here. Alright. And it is a volumizing brush. So I definitely need that because, as you can see, short ain't got no lashes. See what it looks like. And the brush. Alright. And then last but not least, inside of the September box, we have from Billion Dollar Beauty a charcoal beauty sponge. So a sponge. And this sponge is, I guess, is vegan. Okay, that's good. It's vegan, cruelty-free, no artificial dyes or anything. So that's pretty good, especially for something that's going to be going on your face. It doesn't have all those extra chemicals in it. So we're going to go ahead and add this sponge to my millions of other sponges. But I guess this one is a little more special. Alright, so I will give this September box, I was rating it on a scale of 1 to 5. I'm going to say like a 3. Okay, seems like a pretty basic box. And if I was rating the August box, I'll probably give it a 2. I wasn't that impressed by the first box. So hopefully this October box is a little better because so far, Boxycharm, I'm not that impressed. But again, it's $25, so you kind of pay for what you get. Time for the unboxing of our October box. So we're going to find out what's in this box together. Let's see what the first look. Okay, seems a little full. Alright, so this is the card. And it looks like the theme for October is Candy Shop. Okay, so let's see what's inside. The first thing is I don't know how to speak French, so I don't know how to say this word. A Kayate. Don't drag me in the comments. I don't know. From London, New England Editor Palette. So it's a palette in here. This is the palette. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is pretty. So this is our palette so far. Okay. Okay, that fell out. Has a nice big mirror. Nice big mirror. See the camera set up? And these are the colors. Alright. We got some glitter colors and we have some matte colors. I'm going to just try a few again just to see how pigmented. Ooh, look at that. That pigment is really good. So let's go ahead and swatch a few. Ooh, I like it. Alright, let's do one of the matte colors. Let's do this color here. Okay. I like it. Alright, so we're going to definitely be getting these eyeshadow palettes. I think so far the palettes is what I like the most. Alright, so next in the October box we have from Luxie a Wonderlust set. Okay, so it's more brushes. So we have some more eye brushes and a spoolie this time. So again, like I said, it never hurts to have makeup brushes, especially if you do makeup all the time. And this one actually came with a little baggie, so I think this is pretty cute. Okay. Ooh, we have something from Farsali. It's called Quench. It's a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's good. It said hyaluronic acid. I know that's good for the skin. Again, like I said, I'm not going to pretend to be this big skincare person, but I do know Farsali is a pretty good brand. I do know they're also pretty expensive. And I do know that hyaluronic acid is good for your skin. So far I'm sold, and this is about $24. So again, I already made my money back from just this one product, and it's actually a pretty good size. So directions: apply a few drops to damp skin before creams. Use morning and night. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna be up in my skincare routine, because as of right now I do the bare minimum. Okay, all right guys, so next up inside the October box we have a Frank Body Glow Mask. It says this moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and gives skin extra life, glow, and brightness. All right, so this is the mask. All right, and it says it's a glow mask, and you apply it 2 to 3 times a week. Massage it into skin. So it is a rinse off mask. That's what I was looking for. So let's just see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. It's giving me cocoa butter vibes, so I'm cool with cocoa butter. Alright, and it does say it has like coffee, awaken, shea butter, and goji berry. Alright, I don't have to research those things because I don't know what goji berries are, but I'm guessing it's good for the skin. But anywho, moving on to the last and final item inside the October box, which is the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. So we have this lip liner duo here from Ace Beauty, and let's go ahead and see. I do need more lip liner, so okay. So we have these 2 colors here. Looks like a red, and specifically it's called So Gorgeous. That's cute. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, that actually looks pretty, and it felt pretty. You see? It's a nice red. And then this one is called Be Peachy, and it looks like brown type color. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. It's like a nude. Alright, so, and these are also very creamy. So okay, October box, I'm gonna give you a 4. I'm gonna give you a 4. Alright, we got a Farsali. We got some lip liners that I like. We got an eyeshadow palette that was pretty okay. And we got some brushes. So, you know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. So, let me know in the comments down below if you think I should give Boxycharm another month or so, because I'm not sure yet. I do think the boxes get better each month, so maybe November will be better. But I think I'm going to give it one more box and then decide if I'm going to unsubscribe or not. So as of right now in this review, I wouldn't say yes guys, definitely go ahead and subscribe, but I also wouldn't say nah, it's a dub Boxycharm. But my first box I wasn't too pleased with. The second box got better, and then the third box even better. I got some items I liked, some I didn't like, and I don't know. So if you guys got the October box and you like the brushes that I didn't like, the Luxie brushes, let me know in the comments down below. If you got something different in your box that was like popping, let me know. But as of right now, that is my review on Boxycharm, and we'll see what November brings. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.